Hi, my name is David Isaacson, founder of Merlin's Magical Mystery School and Healing Temple on the web at spiritportal.org. In this video, I'm going to be holding a sacred space for hundreds of goddesses who've been bugging me to bring them in. I can't name them all. I've been trying to figure out the names, but there's just too many of them. And they're just keep on bugging me. Do they want to be a part of this? So they're here, and they want to bless you in whatever ways, that unique ways that they are, that they can. And so let's start. Okay, they're here. Let's see if there's anything I want to say. They just want me to be quiet. Okay. There are actually more coming in. What I'm picking up is that okay, explain this. So I wouldn't say everybody, but many people on the planet, we have different levels of being. We have the human self, your inner child, and in our higher self, at one of the highest levels is the God self, our individualized God self. And the people who are watching this, the God self, many of the gods, your higher aspect, your God aspect, is showing up in this space at this moment, making themselves known. So for you, just ask, for you that are watching this video, ask that that your connection with your God self open up, and that you be in communion with that higher self, that higher aspect of yourself, which is here in this space. That's what's going on here. I hope that makes sense. So there are thousands of goddess higher selves that are showing up in the space, that are presenting their energy and consciousness to you, and one of them is probably your goddess self. I'm speaking to the women who are watching this video. One of them could be actually an extension of your own self, the goddess that you are. So ask that she reveal herself to you. She make her name known to you. That she reveal herself to your third eye if you are visual. That she send her energy, vibration to you, that you may feel her or you feel her, you. And you are an extension of her. She is an extension of you. You are the one and the same being, albeit on different dimensions. Wow. Wow, I'm sensing like tens of thousands of goddess beings showing up here. So what I'm providing here is literally a spirit portal, an open door, where they, on the other side, where you are, your human self, you're able to glimpse through this huge portal, and on the other side, your spirit being your God self, your goddess self, in this case, is peering back, and there's an open line of communication happening, which is pretty extraordinary. So your goddess, your specific goddess self, is manifesting in this space at this moment. Her consciousness, her presence, her energy is here. As well as tens of thousands of other unique goddess higher selves. The channels of communication are open. Okay. I think that's good. Enjoy.